Okay, here's the new furnace that we installed. As you'll notice, this new furnace is configured completely different than the old one that we removed. The new furnace is now in a horizontal position. The old furnace was in a vertical position. We reconfigured everything in the room in order to accommodate this. We chose to put it in a horizontal position so the air would not have any turns and it would go straight out through into the main supply duct and not reduce any of the velocity. Also, you'll notice here tagging on our equipment, which is very important. So whenever somebody comes to do service, maintenance, anything of that nature, they're able to find out where the panel is, where the master thermostat is, and how everything is hooked together. Now, you'll notice the connection between this box, which is the coil, and this box, which is the furnace. The ductwork connecting, it angles up and it angles down. The reason being is the coil has a lot more surface area. To do a job properly, you want to make sure that we capture the whole coil surface area. When we can do that, it allows for more heat transfer and able to maintain better temperatures in the home. Now, you see this little black cylindrical mechanism here? That's called a filter dryer. That is very important to be installed. Now, many of you may have seen that installed on the exterior of your home. When it's done that way, it's done incorrectly. As per manufacturer's installation instructions, it is required that this dryer be installed inside to capture any contaminants in the refrigerant before it enters the coil to help protect things. For maintenance, we added a little piece of pipe up with a cap that we're able to flush water through the system. The filtration system over here is an Infinity air purifier. This air purifier has kill and capture technology. This will not only capture contaminants, it will kill them so they're not circulated throughout the home. Underneath the unit, the furnace and coil, you'll see a metal pan. That's a custom-made pan, and it's for safety. If something would happen to cause a leak, this pan will catch the water, and this little switch here will shut off the unit to protect water from leaking through the ceiling down below. These are your vent piping. One here is an intake that brings in air from outside. That allows the flames to burn inside the furnace. This pipe here is the exhaust. Whatever heat is not used for heating the home, it goes out the flue piping. This furnace here is a 97% efficient furnace, and mainly what's left over after it burns all of the gas is a water vapor. That's why the pipes are PVC piping. So, as you can see, a complete transformation from a job that Comfort Solutions has done. There's our panels, easy access, and our new furnace. As you can see, our jobs are done with pride and professionalism. Thank you for watching.